All right, welcome everyone to a five-box case break of 2012 football prime signatures. This is eBay. These are the names in the team. Some of you guys got a bunch, like George. You got Falcons, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Chiefs, Dolphins, the Vikings, the Giants, the Jets, Eagles, Steelers, Redskins, and Cardinals. Brian with the Bears, Cowboys, Packs, Raiders. James with the Broncos. Brian M with the Browns, Allen with the Lions, Jags, Chargers, Niners, Rams, Titans, Bucks, Zach, Texans and Patriots, Brad with the Colts, T got the Saints, and Steven has the Seahawks. It's 527, 10:02 p.m. Wednesday, May 27. There's the focus. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Oops, sorry. There you go. Five boxes. Box number one. Good luck. All right, start with Steven Smith for the Panthers out of 499. Jeremy Macklin out of 499 base. We got a prime proof of Tamba Holly, 21 out of 49. And nice, pretty decent hit for the Steelers. Heath Miller, 15 out of 25 for the Steelers. Good veteran hit. All right, box number two. All right, we start off with John Beeson for the Panthers. We got a Barry Sanders base out of 102 out of 499. A Phil Simms base, 447 out of 499. Focus ain't working great. And not a bad hit. Nick Foles. This goes to the Eagles, even though he's on the Rams now. 121 out of 199. On card auto. So not too bad. All right, box number three. All right, we got Mike Wallace for the Steelers. We got a Heath Miller base also for the Steelers. A prime proof of Arian Foster, 40 out of 99 for the Texans. And another pretty nice hit. Luke Kuechly, rookie for the Panthers, 29 out of 199. 29 out of 199, Luke Kuechly. Box number four. All right, this may be a double hit here. Warren Sapp for the Bucks. We got J.J. Watt, Texans. We got a prime proof of Bart Starr, 25 out of 25 for the Pack. Our first hit goes Cyrus Gray to the Chiefs, 139 out of 199. And I apologize for the focus, guys. Camera's all shot. But it's 139 out of 199. And the second hit is Dan Heron, 1 out of 1. Wow, very cool. Sticker auto for the Bengals. There it is, a 1 of 1. I mean, it's still a 1 of 1. It's no Luck, Wilson, or RG3, but hey, Dan Heron for the Bengals. Guys, let me know if you hear and see me. Somebody said they froze up. All right, you good? All right, great. Breakers is always iffy. I don't know. I may move to UStream permanently. I guess I don't think anyone's having problems there. But all right, fifth and final. But you guys saw that 101, the Dan Heron for the Bengals. Okay, great. All right, this is the last box. We got a redemption coming up. Steven Jackson out of 499. Vincent Jackson out of 499. We got Torrey Smith, 59 out of 99. And the redemption is Rookie Prime Materials, Ronnie Hillman. It is expired, but I know Panini will honor it. So they shouldn't give you any issues with this. Put it on the website. If it doesn't go through, give them a call. I think they'll honor it or give you something else. But got Hillman is the final hit. And that does it. Guys, thank you very much. Hit list always gets something. All right, I'll send you guys. No one ever leaves empty-handed. So we'll look for that. And if you're in my Crown Royale break, that's coming up at 10:30. And guys, that's it. Thank you.